Next, abstraction. Abstraction. See, it is a process of hiding implementation details and showing only functionality to the user. See, it is a process of hiding implementation details and showing only functionality to the user. See, in Java, we have two types of methods: concrete methods, next abstract methods. See, in Java, we have two types of methods. One is concrete methods. Concrete methods. What is concrete method, Shalini? What is concrete method? Snehal? Snehal, concrete method.
The method which is having the method body.
Yes.
So concrete.
Complete method. Complete method. See, the methods which are having body. Example, public void add, next statements. This is body. Next, close curly braces.
I have a question, sir.
Tell me.
This public void add is a method, right? Add method.
Method syntax.
Yeah, but previous section when we did user-defined methods, we have written method like public static int add.
Int add.
Without object.
Without?
Yeah, public int add. But
where public int add?
Without object.
Where public int add?
Not here. Yesterday's session, like last week's session.
Last week's session I used.
We had syntax, access modifier and data type and method name.
See,
method.
Just a minute. See, we have types of user defined methods. Here I used one type. What is this type? Without returning any value. Suppose if you want to return any value, that time you can use data type, return type. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Here I used only one type of
Hello?
method. Another type is there. Yes, you can use that method also. You told now public int add. What is that method? Method with returning value. This is method without returning any value. You can use that method also. What is the problem?
without returning value also we add void int add.
No, without returning value, then why data type?
Okay.
Without returning value, why data type? You refer that
Okay.
one. See, here I used one example. This method without returning any value. Method is public, but without returning any value. With returning value also you can use method. What is the problem? What is the problem?
Okay, I understood.
No
Yeah,
problem.
no, I got confused.
No
Okay.
problem. Here you can use public static also, but that is class level method. This is object level method. See, calling methods also I used different flavors na, nearly 6 flavors na. Here I used one type. You can use method with returning value or method without returning value. Observe Snehal, suppose method without returning any value, for that return type required.
Without returning value, no, return type is not required.
Return type not required. Okay na, Madhavi?
Yeah, but
Ah,
but even though we add a non-access modifier, return type nothing.
non-access?
Modifier, static.
Yes, you can use static. Yes, that is class level method. What is the problem? Just a minute.
Why didn't we use the static here? That's what my question.
See, I am using one flavor. We have different flavors of user defined methods. I used one flavor. Then what is the problem?
No, like with return value,
Yes,
we
you can
use
use with
data.
return value also.
I know, but without returning value, public static void add, right? Why didn't we use static? That's what my question.
This is object level method. That's why I'm not using static. Object level method. See, only object level methods means non-static class members only can be inherited now.
Okay.
That's why I used non-static method. What is the problem? First of all, tell me the problem.
No, I didn't get it. That's why I am asking.
Say, if you want to inherit these methods, if you use static, if you use static, then no use na. You cannot inherit na.
Okay.
Say I'm going to inherit these abstract classes. Then if we use static methods, we can't inherit na.
Okay.
That's why I used non-static class member, non-static method. Okay na? Any issue? Say method body. Next, second one.
That means this is for inheritance.
See, in future we are going to inherit this class na. See, abstract classes. What is the purpose of abstract classes? We have to implement in subclasses. That's why we use only non-static class members.
Okay.
You can use static also, but no use. If you use static class members in main class or parent class or super class, what will happen? You cannot inherit na.
Okay.
Say concrete methods, or you can say complete methods. Next, abstract methods. Abstract methods. Abstract methods means methods which are not having body. The methods which are not having body. Example, same, public void yard semicolon. Say if we know the method name but don't know what the method performs, then we go for abstract methods. When we go for abstract methods, say if we know the method name but don't know, later we implement, don't know the method functionality, then we go for abstract methods. Tell me, Sindhu, when we go for abstract methods, Shalini, when we go for abstract methods,
like if we know the method name but don't know the method functionality. Yeah, then we will go for abstract
methods. Just a minute. How to achieve abstraction? Say, generally, Java class contains 100% concrete methods. 100% concrete methods. Suppose if we use incomplete method, it will show error. Observe, this is concrete method. Use abstract method. Suppose subtraction. Suppose don't use arguments, error. Create method. It is abstract method. It won't allow. Say Java class contains 100% concrete methods. Next, abstract class. See, abstract class contains Snehal. Abstract class contains class, abstract
have
class.
abstract and concrete
Both. See, otherwise you can say abstract class contains one or more abstract methods. Minimum one abstract method. See, abstract class contains one or more abstract methods. See, I will show, I will explain one small case study. Concentrate. Observe Swapna. Class 1. Class 1 having 10 methods. Class 1 having 10 methods. 10 methods. It is a class or abstract class? Swapna. Class 1 having 10 methods. 10 methods are, just a minute. 10 methods. 10 methods are concrete methods. 10 methods are concrete methods. Is it abstract class or class? Just normal class.
It's an abstract class.
Abstract class.
No, class, regular class.
Regular class. See, okay. Class. It is a Java class. This is one scenario. Next, class 2. See, class 2 also having 10 methods. 10 methods. Suppose 5 concrete methods, 5 or 9, 5 concrete methods and 5 abstract methods. Continue, Swapna. It is a Java regular class or abstract class?
Abstract class.
Abstract class. Abstract class. Next, one more scenario. Class 3. Class 3. Suppose class 3 also having 10 methods, 10 or 100. See, 10 methods are abstract methods. See, 10 methods are Madhavi. 10 methods are abstract methods. Then it is a regular class or abstract class?
Abstract class.
Abstract class. See, I will show you example. Suppose create one class name. ABCD. ABCD. Just a minute. Execution not required. Create one concrete method. Public void add. Just a minute. Suppose class name bike class. Bike. Class name bike class. In this bike class, one of the method is engine. All bikes have engine. Just one statement, one dummy statement. Bikes have engine. See, this is concrete method. See, body, method body also there. One or more statements. Next, public void, suppose handle. This is abstract method. Next, public void seat or gear. This is also abstract method. We are using abstract methods now. Then make class as abstract. How to make? Using abstract keyword. Using abstract keyword. Abstract. Why still it is showing error?
So you need to use abstract in handle and
Yes.
here also.
Method also abstract. Abstract method. Say, observe in this class, in this abstract class, one concrete method and two abstract methods. This is abstract class. Next, one more class. Suppose Hero Honda. See, one of the bike company. Suppose I want to use methods from parent class, that bike class.
Sir,
How?
I have a small question, sir. Small clarification I want.
Who is asking?
This is Swapna, sir.
Tell me, Swapna.
So, abstract class can contain both concrete as well as abstract methods.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I thought like abstract class contains only abstract
No,
methods.
that's why I provided this case study na. See, observe.
Oh.
5 concrete methods, 5 abstract methods. Abstract class.
Oh.
Next, all 10 methods are abstract methods. Abstract class. But
Okay.
all
Yeah,
concrete methods, then regular class.
Okay. Yeah.
See, suppose I want to access class members from bike class. In bike class, some common methods available for Hero, Honda or Bajaj or other classes. I want to access those common methods. How to access, Madhvi? I want to access class members from bike class. How to access? Through inheritance, na?
Class name.
Inheritance. Yes. Extends. What is the class name? Bike. Bike. Here it is showing 2 suggestions. Make type Hero Honda as abstract. Why? In the parent class, abstract methods are there. Otherwise, suppose you want regular class, add unimplemented methods. First, you need to implement all methods in subclass, then you can use. Otherwise, you can't use. See, first implement abstract. Whenever you want to access abstract methods from superclass, first you need to implement. Otherwise, you can't use. See, in that main class, we have 3 methods. One concrete method, 2 abstract methods. But here we have to implement 2 methods only. Why? First one is concrete method. Here implement. Suppose just dummy statements. Now I implemented this one. Then I can use concrete methods and abstract methods. Abstract methods I implemented. How to access? See, public static void main string square brackets args just a minute, spell mistake. Access all methods from superclass. In this subclass you can create some more methods, but I don't want to create new methods in subclass. If you want to create, you can create, otherwise you can access from superclass. Access methods from superclass. Shalini.
Sir, class name.
First create object class name. Here what is the class name?
Hero Honda.
Hero Honda. Next object. Suppose obj equal to new Hero Honda. Obj dot, what is that method name? First method handle.
Handle.
Next obj dot engine. Next obj dot seat. Run the program. Errors. Why it is showing errors, Snehal? But it is providing correct output. All methods.
Sir, in the superclass, the object was engine first.
Pardon? The class A it is showing. Actually, no relation with class A na. Bike Hero Honda. Okay, this is earlier one. Earlier we created three classes na. A class, B class, C class. In this package.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So in that package I modified the things, arguments. That's why in between A and B some conflicts are there. See, why it is showing error means in the package some classes having error. That's why it is showing error during compile, but it is providing correct output. See, providing correct output. Our required output is, see, three methods. Forget about these errors. That errors related to another classes in the same package. See, bikes have handle, engine, seat. Okay, now Madhavi, any queries?
Yeah, how do we know we got the queries from different class? They didn't mention anything.
Pardon? How do you know?
Queries from different class. Where did they mention from A class we got the error?
See here red mark showing na.
Oh, okay.
Red mark showing. In this A class I changed that this one. Earlier I used arguments. This time I removed that arguments.
Yeah.
That's why showing. Red mark showing na. Suppose if you create another package, in that another package, if you create bike and Hero Honda, no errors. Say this A class is not related to our current class. That's why it is not showing any incorrect output. It is showing correct output only, isn't it?
Sir, I have a question.
Ah.
Swapna.
Swapna, tell me.
Can you go to the program? So, like the last program, we didn't use abstract class, right?
See,
so the bike is an abstract class.
Yes.
And Hero Honda is a Java
regular class. It is a regular class.
Okay, so we are using the abstract class from the Java class.
Yes.
Okay.
See, we are accessing methods from abstract class. Super class is abstract class, but subclass is not abstract.
Okay, sir.
This is one scenario. In another scenario, you can make subclass as abstract also. Observe. Suppose one more class, PQR, now extends. What is the superclass? Bike. See here two ways. What are the two possibilities? First one is, if you want regular class, add unimplemented methods from superclass. Add unimplemented methods. First you implement, then use. Otherwise, make this subclass as abstract. Then you no need to implement abstract methods. But no use. You can't access abstract methods, isn't it? Two possibilities are there now.
Yes, sir.
Yes. See next, one more important concept, interfaces. See, this is extension to abstraction. Actually, our WebDriver, Selenium WebDriver also Java interface. Selenium WebDriver is not class, is not package. Observe Snehal. Selenium WebDriver is not package. Interface. Got the point? What is interface we will discuss. What is Selenium WebDriver? Is it Java package? See, Selenium WebDriver developed in Java. But you can use Java or Perl or Python or Ruby or PHP or C#.NET for test automation. But basically, Selenium WebDriver is Java interface. Got the point? Selenium WebDriver doesn't have any user interface, just a programming interface. Snehal.
Yes, sir. Clear.
See here two concepts for softwares. One is user interface. Suppose Selenium IDE. Selenium IDE, one of the tool of Selenium suite. Selenium IDE has user interface. Selenium IDE has user interface. Record and playback features also there. But Selenium WebDriver is interface. What type of interface? Programming interface. You can write programming logic. Programming interface. See, in this user interface, you have menus and commands, but in programming interface, no menus, no commands, no ready-made environment. Observe, have any idea, Swapna, UFT, formerly QTP. QTP is user interface or programming interface?
I don't
Anybody?
know, sir. It might. I'm guessing it might be programming interface.
No user
It is
interface?
user interface.
Both. See, UFT has IDE and programming interface. For example, just a general idea. For example, if you want to record test script in UFT, you can use recording feature. That is, that recording feature belongs to IDE, integrated development environment. See, UFT has menus and menu items. Suppose if you want to insert verification point, for that you can use checkpoints. You no need to write any code. UFT can generate statements. For example, I want to write a test script manually without recording. Yes, you can type descriptive code. Next, I want to insert verification point using conditional statements without using checkpoints. Yes, you can insert conditional statements. Remember, UFT, formerly QTP, advanced version of QTP is UFT, Unified Functional Testing. UFT has IDE as well as programming interface. See, UFT tool editor is there. UFT tool editor is there. UFT supports VB script syntax in that editor. You can use UFT IDE as well as programming interface. You can mix. You can use IDE features and programming features, both. Got the point, Shalini? Got the point? But Selenium WebDriver,
Yes, sir.
Selenium WebDriver,
It's programming.
only programming interface. It doesn't have any IDE. No menus, no menu items. For each and everything, you need to write the code. Suppose I want to identify the object. I want to use element locator. Suppose I want to perform operation on object. I want to use WebDriver method. I want verification point. For that, you can use Java conditional statements. See, for each and everything, you need to write the code in Selenium WebDriver. But in UFT, you have IDE and programming interface. What about Selenium IDE, Madhavi? Only user interface or programming interface?
User interface.
Only user interface, no programming interface. You cannot insert conditional statements and loop statements in Selenium IDE. Okay. Say final conclusion. In the next week we will start Selenium WebDriver. Important component of Selenium tool, Selenium suite. Important component or tool of Selenium suite. That Selenium WebDriver is Java programming interface. Okay, interfaces. What is interface? See, interface is a Java type definition block, as like class, but class is different, interface is different, but similarity is there. See, interface. Interface is a Java type definition block which is 100% abstract, which is 100% abstract. Now find the difference between Shalini, find the difference between Java class and Java interface.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference? Tell me primary difference. Class and interface. Class may have 100% abstract. Class may have 100% concrete methods.
Yeah. Interface must have 100% abstract method.
In class, abstract class also there na. Abstract class have one or more abstract methods na.
Yes,
But interface all abstract methods only. No concrete methods. We have to implement all methods. Just outlines. See, interface which is 100% abstract. Next, all the interface methods are by default public and abstract. We have to implement now. That's why by default public and abstract. See, all the interface methods are by default public, no private, public and abstract. This is one point. Next, static and final modifiers are not allowed for interface methods. See, static and final modifiers are not allowed for interface methods. Next, in interfaces, variables have to initialize at the time of declaration. See, in interfaces, variables have to initialize at the time of declaration. See one small example. See, in general class, you can use just a minute. Okay, in general class, you can use variables like this: int a, or later you can assign value to a variable. First, I declared int a variable. Later, I can assign value. Otherwise, at the time of declaration only, you can assign value. See, both are correct for classes, but for interfaces, this one is correct usage. Sindhu, first one, int a semicolon. Is it correct or not for interfaces? Correct or incorrect?
It's incorrect, sir.
Incorrect.
First one is incorrect.
Good.
Yes.
Incorrect. See, next point. In interfaces, variables are public static final by default. See, in interfaces, variables are public static final modifiers are not allowed for interface methods. Here, variables static final, public static final by default. Next, interface is going to be used using implements keyword. See, interface is going to be used using implements keyword. See, this is about interfaces. I will use one example. See, interface. New interface, not class. Interface. Suppose example 1. This is interface. See, interface having all abstract methods only. See, suppose first variables int a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Observe Madhavi. Suppose apply static is accepting for implements problem. Okay. Next, abstract method. Create one abstract method, Madhavi. How to create abstract method? Public abstract void. Okay, put mute. Oh, semicolon. This is abstract method. Next, just one more method, void sub. Void sub. By default, abstract. All are abstract. Next, create one more interface. One more interface. Example 2. I want to access abstract methods from I want to access abstract methods from example 1 interface. How to access, Sindhu? I want to access abstract.
Implements.
Pardon?
Example 1. Implements.
Implements that example 1. Example 1. See, capital letter. It is showing. Implements. Oh, I'm going to create this class. Interface from class. Just a minute. Class. I am going to implement interface to interface, not possible. From interface to class. Suppose example 3. This is class. Implements example 1. What is this one? Say interface now. We are implementing methods from interface. It is asking add unimplemented methods. Add unimplemented methods. All are unimplemented only. Then you can implement those methods. You can implement. You have to implement. Suppose a dummy statement. Next, I want to access these methods. Swapna, I want to access these methods. How to access? First write main method.
First class public void. Yeah.
Just a minute. First main method. Main string args. Say earlier using inheritance concept, that keyword is, what is the keyword for inheritance, Snehal? Extends. That is class to class. Implements interface to class.
From
interface to class. Okay. Next, continue, Swapna. I want to access these implemented methods. I'm accessing these method structure from interface and implemented. Next, I want to access.
Class name.
Class
ex.
Name. Class name is
ex83.
exa3. Suppose object ABC equal to
new ex83.
exa3 sensitive. Semicolon. Next you can access.
Next ABC dot
method name.
Method. Yeah.
Suppose add. Next ABC dot sub. Run the program. Save. I used two dummy statements, addition, subtraction. Okay, na Madhavi, any confusion?
No, sir.
See, just a minute. From class to class. From class to class, we use extends keyword. From class to class, we use extends keyword for reusing. Here, this class, either regular class or complete class, concrete class means having 100% concrete methods. Concrete class, or you can say regular class. Concrete class or abstract class. See, from class, either concrete class or you can say regular class or abstract class, either concrete class or abstract class. Say, suppose if it is concrete class, from otherwise you can say regular class or general class. From concrete class to class, subclass. See, we can access non-static class members directly. Otherwise, in simple words, we can access methods directly. We can access superclass methods directly using object. Next, from abstract class, observe Snehal, from abstract class. Then how to access? Can we access directly? We can't access directly now.
Yes, sir.
What we have to do? First, we need to implement abstract methods now.
Implement and initialize also, right?
Initialization is different. What is initialization?
Oh, sorry. Yeah. No, I was confusing. Yeah, we need to implement the abstract class first.
Implement all abstract methods from superclass, all abstract methods. Then we can access concrete and abstract methods. See here, no abstract concept also. Why? We implemented. Then you can say we can access all methods. See, this is second scenario.
Sir,
Next,
so from class, concrete or abstract class, first line.
I'm dividing the first line.
Okay.
See,
So
first line,
either
my main focus is how to
extend.
reuse from one class to another. That is my main focus. Next, I divided that one.
Okay.
Okay na?
So, concrete class means like regular, general.
Concrete class means having all complete methods, all concrete methods.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, sir.
See, otherwise you can just say class
Okay, sir.
or regular class or general class. Concrete class is term. Abstract class means incomplete class. Concrete class means complete class, having complete methods.
Okay.
Next, from interface, to class, from interface, from Java interface to Java class, we use, what is the keyword, Shalini? Implements na?
For interfaces, it's implement. Yes.
Implements keyword. Here how to access? Say from interface to class. See, first implement all abstract methods. All methods, all are abstract only. Implement all methods and access. Okay, na Madhavi, tell me, any confusion?
No, sir.
Our Selenium WebDriver also Java interface, and one more small concept is there in Whoops, that is encapsulation, that I will explain the next class, and we will continue Selenium WebDriver. See, fourth fundamental of Whoops, encapsulation. See, this is small concept that I will explain in next class. Okay, we'll meet next Saturday, same time. Thank you. See, Swapna, did you receive previous batch videos and notes?
Yes, sir. I did get that.
Okay.